Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Indus YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to see Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis intraday prediction for tomorrow. Yes guys, what you have done today. Hope whoever have watched my weekly analysis might have made good profits because you can see clearly market open gap down Nifty, and you can see exactly it came up to our important black line 17,465, and from there it again went back to our supply zone, which we have discussed in the weekly analysis as well. And thereafter, by rejecting our supply zone, you can see again it came back to our main black line, and from there it gave a fake breakout. The one thing you have to remember in this series is whenever I have give these levels, the black lines especially are the higher time frame levels, and we need a strong candle or strong rejection, at least a candle like which give a rejection like this. We need this type of candles to break this particular zone, or else if this breaks with a weak candle, there is high probability it will come back. Whenever you see it's giving breakout with not strong candles, whenever you get backs and close above this particular line, then you can take re-entry here by keeping the below candle as stop loss. Yes, if you see this particular candle, you can see it's like a hammer candle. Moreover, just don't focus on the names, but if you see the pressure is from downside, that is from bulls. So okay, I hope you made profits, and if you have taken this trade again, you would have made money. But it's okay if not, you have made this move, if you have not utilized, or if you have not caught this particular move, I hope at least you have taken this move up to here. So coming to bank nifty also some sort of similar pattern, and let me show you. We got a huge gap down today. I was carrying shorts and I have booked here, and again it came back exactly to our supply zone. And at particular this candle I have taken live in our telegram channel, and I have explained this candle gonna to reject from here, and we gonna to take short positions. In the live I have given short positions in this candle for educational purpose. Thereafter, as expected, we got up to this 39,976. This is an important level, and you can see small candles whichever break our black lines, there are high probability we may get. If you have taken long position here, you might have given small stop loss here, but thereafter you can see when this black line closed closed below this black line, you would have taken again downside trade, and you have got this. And especially I have given this level at this particular zone. I have updated the demand zone. Let me also show you that. Switch to 5 minutes time frame. I have updated this minor supply zone both in free open and closed channels. You can just check. You can see here. You can see also the time 121. At 121 I have updated minor supply zone from this zone. I have updated and pinpoint rejection from that zone. You can see pinpoint rejection from this zone here at this particular candle. Thereafter, within few seconds we got a very good downside move. Thereafter it came back to same our minor zone, and it took some resistance. Thereafter it gave a breakout and it went. So this is today's scenario. Now let's discuss about tomorrow, and comment me in which nifty or bank nifty, in which index you made profits by using our levels. So let's discuss about tomorrow's market. So the tomorrow's plan of action in nifty is also the same. See, this is again a supply zone which we are talking about, and it respected twice. So if market opens above this level, so wait for a candle to get rejected from this both levels, because these both levels are intraday levels. As I said you guys, these red lines are to helps to you to take entry, or at least makes you to below this line you can be short, above this line you can be long. So you can consider this as intraday entry levels, but these are intraday levels, support and resistance, which are very important. So my expectation is, if again if you get a rejection from these areas, just like today, you can see today also, yesterday weekly analysis I have explained the same thing. If opens gap up above these levels, wait until it reach here. If you are a scalper, you can catch this particular with scalping by keeping small stop loss below that candles. But if it open flat, there there is a probability that it may again go up to this level. So here, short position, this can be my first setup, and this can be second setup. If we open flat and if we get any rejection candle like this, we will keep stop loss above this candle and we will try to take target this. So this is going to be my second setup. And coming to longs, a lot of members even messaged me longs. Yes, you can go longs here, but hardly you have to again, we may get rejection here again for longs. Wherever longs, I am only able to see the scalping zones, like this can be a scalp, you can scalp for longs, this you can scalp for longs. But above this particular zone 17950, you can go longs up to this 18180. If this particular 17950 which we are talking, if this breaks, then we can go for 18180. So this coming to Nifty. And again one more long positions, you can go for long here from this candle. If you get any rejection like this, below rejection you can place your stop loss and you can go for longs. And in case, let me tell you, there is also one more setup. If this particular our supply zone breaks, and if it come back to here, then this particular zone, this particular candle and this particular candle low gonna to act as a important demand zone. So keep in that by opening, and not to worry about that. All the live market updates will be given in this telegram channel. You can see we provide live updates, and usually I also take live. We also made budget strategy video. If you have not yet watched, I recommend you to watch. But if you see demand zones and everything, I update through the voice messages. And you can see this is the live which we have taken, and in the live video also we have explained. So all these things you get free of cost by using this channel. So this is our premium channel where I update important levels, and I also take live and I explain strategies, and lot of educational content will be given in this premium channel. If you want swing calls, intraday levels, and important education related books, PDFs, as well as videos and webinars, then you just open one demat account using our links and trade in that. By that you will get premium channel access. So coming to, this is Nifty plan. One whoever have taken this might also have traded this, but it's okay. This is going to be our tomorrow's plan. Now coming to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is also a similar pattern. I'm able to see the similar pattern, but somewhere Bank Nifty looks little stronger. But you can see Bank Nifty, as we discussed in the weekly analysis, the same scenario, even only above 14,910. If two 10 minutes candles sustain above this level, then we will make a long side position up to this level can be your first target. And this black line, again you can wait for a rejection here, and if we get any rejection you can place. This will break, guys. If the market is going up to here, this is going to be break, but you have to make sure not directly jump into this trade, because you have to wait until a rejection come like this, and breaking this candle low, you can take a short position by the stop loss of this. Then you can make a target up to our 40,910. So this is going to be a one setup which I have explained. But again, if we open flat, we may take rejection from our supply zone, And just like today, if we get any rejection from here, you can go for lower time frame like 5 minutes, 3 minutes, and you can see any reversal candlestick pattern, and you can take trade here. If any double top forms, you can take according to you, and you can again plan targets up to 39,976. So this is going to be a second plan. And if market opens gap down, again these levels you can plan buy or sell trade according to that. As I said, if strong candle is not breaking our level, you can see here strong candle did not break our level, it went up. And in this case also we need a strong candles without any. Let me show you that. Even you can see here, even we did not get strong candle, so that failed. We want strong candle breaking our level. Let me show you some, if any. Yes, if someone asking for me entry, the entry can be, you can decide like this candles, rejection candles, by keeping stop loss below, and you can take entry once this high breaks. So in this candle you got the entry, and you can see you can easily catch 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3 trades by using our levels. One who have attended live, they might have seen us. See, this is how you need a you strong candles to break. You can see a strong candle breaking this. So strong candle breaking this, you can see this type of strong candles required to break our levels. So if you still have any doubts, you can comment us below so that I can clear your doubts. So this is going to be our setup for tomorrow Nifty as well as Bank. This is very important, you guys. You can see this particular week we have frequent events like on 31st Jan Adani FPO results. Now hot topic of Adani, I gonna to also take up some news on them. Also 1st February we have union budget and also US Fed rate decision, and second Feb we have ECB and BOE rate hikes as well. So this complete week is pack of events. So make sure you just trade with light quantity, or if you are a beginner, you don't have any experience of handling this type of event days, because event days are too much volatile. You can clearly see here market opened and some opened here and it went down, and from there it went up, and you can see the fall and a whole recovery. So this is something you have to see. So make sure you trade with less quantity, or like avoid trading on this event days. And let's see some newses, because these are also very important to track. This is one news which I was looking forward, because LIC reviewing Adani response to short traders allegations. The reason is very simple, because if you see Adani, sorry, LIC is holding the stake of in 4.2% in Adani Enterprises and 9% in Adani Ports and around 9% in Adani Economics Zone and 6% in Adani Total and around 3.65 in Adani Transmission. So this DII, and even their LIC Managing Director Rajkumar told this they gonna to ask some questions on regarding this to LIC, because they are holding some good number of stake, good percentage of stake, so they have right to ask this. So let's see, according to this, even any retailers are holding this, they can also take decision according to this. If you see LIC is decreasing their stake in Adani Ports, then you can assume that something is not right with them. So yes, still a lot of newses are going on, but let's wait for after 31st Jan. According to newses, after 31st Jan, after FPO, Adani going to answer all the questions of uh, particular US based company, and he might also answer this. So we have to, even I am looking forward for that. And coming to Adani Enterprises FPO, you have seen day 2 only 2% subscriptions are done. The reason is very simple, that is this is particular hot topic now because you lot of biddings are expected by this company, but suddenly that particular report have bought and all this, so there is less subscription for this. Tomorrow is the results, so let's see how it goes, and even I will update live in our telegram channel if you stay in. Now coming to this is also interesting news. Our rate hikes will be depending upon the US rate hikes, but still a lot of estimations are there in the market that RBI to hike repo rate by 25 bps in Feb. They are expecting only 25 bps this time, because you can see December it's almost 35 bps, and which is 6.25 right now, but they are expecting 25 bps points, which is 6.50 in February 1st union budget. But it depends because inflation is decreasing, so obviously this going to be happen. But if this happens, then that going to be a plus point for our markets. It can boost and it can add some fuel to bull rally to our market. Now coming to next news is on gold price. Today jumped to record high in India, and you can see the latest prices here, which have given here 57.149 per 10 grams, and 57.125, and silver also 68.585 per kg, and all this you can check out if you are interested on this. Nifty and bank nifty 0.1, it's like a flat closing both, but yes, this volatile gonna to be continued this week as I explained. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe this video and let me know your comment section how it is arranged, how our daily analysis, because it's the starting time. So I am planning to explain some technicals, also planning to cover some news, also macro events if possible. So let me know, let me get some suggestions from you. Is this okay, or I should only say technical analysis and I should avoid news, or I should add any other segments, or shall we also cover up some stocks? So I want suggestions from you. According to that, I can change or rearrange these things or order according to your flexibility. Okay, so see you in the next video. Until then, I am signing off. Jai Hind.